this meeting today. This meeting I must serve everybody accordingly. And who dey rule Nigeria now? INEC chairman. INEC chairman no talk say too small. CBN chairman.
70 years old man.
Peter Obi. Atiku. Oga Jagaban.
70 years old.
Tinubu. Balabulu. Now I don't serve una now. INEC chairman. Now you first give. Abeg. Abeg no verse INEC chairman. Abeg no verse. We no understand how the election take be. Na Balabulu. But Shami, I know maybe I don't like the Balabulu. Now only Nigeria be the first country we go get comedian as president. One achievement. I'm quite INEC, una don't do one thing. You know say before, if we won't vote, we dey know the winner before the election. But this time, una surprise us. All of us know say think say na Peter Obi go win, but una shock us. Una say na Tinubu win. CBN chairman. CBN chairman, they say make they release old money. You say old money, you don't burn am. Abeg, where the ashes of the money dey? Abeg. Peter Obi. Peter Obi, before the election, you say when you come up for Anambra as governor, you save money for their governor house. Now another one, I know they show. You say you use your wristwatch for 12 years. Now that one, no talk say you lie. Oh. Balabulu. Bulubala. Balabulu. Bulubala. Might test your drink. Balabulu. The first comedian as president. You know say after you don't win, you can't give speech. Say I know that everybody did not vote for me. Everybody did not vote for you, but how you can't get those numbers so you get? Abi no like you ring them. Na ring election. Tell me na Balabulu. You know say me na comedian, you na comedian. Tell me you ring them. Anyway, everything I want to talk now. The person I get problem for, as I mentioned them now, na be CBN chairman. I beg the ashes of the money where you born, pack and come give us. We need them. I beg. Buhari, tell am make he return am before you now you go soon come out there. INEC, give us our results. Thank you.